We think from the ideas that we consent to as true, and we imagine situations that match our beliefs. Our beliefs are like a filter through which we see the world and everything in it. If we believe that something is not possible, then we will never see it as being possible, no matter how much evidence there is to the contrary. This was brought home to me recently when I was reading about Neville Goddard. He talks about how our consciousness is the only reality, and that everything else is just an illusion. It's a bit of a mind-bending concept, but it makes perfect sense when you think about it. If our consciousness is the only reality, then it stands to reason that what we believe is true will become our reality. If we believe something is not possible, then it simply won't be possible for us, no matter what anyone else says or does. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, show your love in comment box, and subscribe our channel for more such motivational and spirituality-oriented videos. Thanks for supporting the channel.